channel. Today we're gonna make a pizza. This is all the ingredients. Start from pizza dough. It's 150 grams that already been made from my mom yesterday. And smoked beef, sausage for the topping. You can use mushroom or anything else. And 3 tablespoons of spaghetti sauce and a ton of grated mozzarella cheese. So now we're gonna press the dough first. With the foot. Let's go do it. 1, 2. Make sure to put some flour in the fork first. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Look at your elbow. Hey. 26, 27, 28, 29.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it.
We're gonna put it on the oven on 15 minutes, and my mom already hit it. Yeah.
Put inside the pizza, can you?
Okay. But it's already baked, so in 15 minutes, so we're gonna try to eat it. We try to take it out. Oops. I cannot do it. I think my
It's okay. Take for Mimi.
Oh yeah, I forgot. My sister. The Jesus. Let's take it in there. Take it from there. And oh, now we're gonna try it. No, this is mine. Hey, sneaky.
Enjoy.